Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your cockatiel love you. Building a strong bond with your feathered friend begins with patience and gentle interaction. Start by offering small, favorite treats directly from your hand, like a tiny piece of millet or a sunflower seed. Always speak in a soft, reassuring tone to create a calm atmosphere. Dedicate about 10 to 15 minutes each day to simply be near their cage, allowing them to get used to your presence without pressure. This consistent, gentle approach is key to earning their trust. Once your cockatiel seems comfortable with your presence, you can begin gentle interactions. Slowly extend a finger towards them, allowing them to decide if they want to step up. If they lean into your touch, you can try a soft head scratch, as many cockatiels enjoy this. Engage in quiet, simple games, like gently talking to them or playing a soft tune. Always pay close attention to their body language. A relaxed posture indicates comfort, while a puffed-up stance might mean they need space. Positive reinforcement is crucial for building a loving relationship. When your cockatiel performs a desired action, like stepping onto your finger, immediately offer a small treat and verbal praise. Use a cheerful, encouraging tone, saying things like "good bird" or "clever bird." Never use punishment, as this can instill fear and break the bond you are trying to build. Keep your training sessions brief, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes, to maintain their interest and prevent them from becoming overwhelmed. Creating a stimulating and safe environment is essential for your cockatiel's happiness and love. Ensure their cage is spacious, offering plenty of room to move, with a variety of perches and engaging toys for enrichment. Always provide fresh food and clean water, changing them daily. Offer at least 1 hour of supervised out-of-cage time each day in a bird-proofed area. A consistent daily routine, including feeding and playtimes, helps your cockatiel feel secure and cherished, strengthening your bond.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.